Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by opening YouTube Studio on your phone and picking the video you want. You must be signed into the channel that uploaded it. Once you tap the video, go to the Details or three-dot menu to access editing tools. Make sure your video is processed fully, because captions can only be added to processed uploads. If processing completes, select Subtitles or the Captions option now, and prepare to add or edit language and timing settings before you move to transcription. You now choose how to create captions, upload a file, auto-sync your transcript, or type directly. If you upload, select SRT or VTT for correct timing. If you auto-sync, paste a clean transcript and let YouTube align text to speech. When typing manually, play short segments, pause, and enter text with accurate punctuation so speech-to-text matches. Once done, review the displayed timestamps and adjust any misaligned segments to keep spoken words and captions in sync. Finish by saving your captions and previewing the video to confirm timing and readability. Test at 0, 75x and 1, 5x speeds to ensure alignment. Make sure line breaks and punctuation appear logically. This improves viewer comprehension. If captions don't upload or autosync fails, retry using a plain text transcript with minimal speaker labels, or create and upload a properly formatted SRT file. Finally, if viewers still report issues, clear app cache, update.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.